Hello, students. I welcome you to today's class, which is related with your GATE examination. And we know that before this, we have completed various aspects which are related with your traffic engineering and transportation engineering. Today we are going to discuss about the various conveys and conclusion which are related with your traffic engineering. And before this class, we also discuss about the various points which is related with the previous and modern history of uh, traffic engineering. So we know that as per the All India Council of Technical Education, they have sponsored us one Prerna scheme. And under this Prerna scheme, we are taking today's class. Our today's topic is the basics of traffic engineering. It's concerned with the transportation engineering. This is our in the row of fifth class, and today we are going to discuss about certain aspect related with the traffic. And we know the desire of the people to move need for the goods demand for the transportations. Transportation plays a very important role in the daily lives of the people. It affects everyone on the earth and on daily basis. Various people, countries, government, various business, whole economy, and all others effective and reliable transportation is in the form to another. So we know that transportation, which include various types of bridges, various types of roads, all these are the very important things and plays a very important role in our life. So today we are going to discuss about the major transportation system. This major transportation system it includes first of all is the highway. So you take an example of the various car, buses, truck, and non-motorized vehicles. So in case of traveling or for movements of various good and transports of packaging, we are using various types of highway. Then we have the railways normally for the movements of passenger and goods. If you want to move the heavy goods from one point to another, so in that case we are using the railway. We are another the fastest methods of transportation is airways and waterways. And in addition to this, we have the various continuous flow system, which include the pipelines, belt, etc. And these all transportation systems plays a very important role in our uh, field of civil engineering. So now we are going to discuss about the various highways with their road transportation. So first of all, we discuss about the oldest mode which started. We know that in case of in the Ashoka Raja and Mughal Samrat in that BC year, we started the road construction in the India, and which include the footpath, animal way, car path. As civilization evolved, the need for transportation, which started in India in 5000 BC. The same road construction has been started in Egypt in 3000 BC. And if you take an example of Greece and Babylonia, it started in 2000 BC. And one of the best road, which include the name of Roman Samrats, they started the construction of the various road in 500 BC. So in this figure, you can see that in the left side there is the one picture which shows the Roman roads, and right side there is a one picture. We showed the modern highway. So you can say in previous year we are using various types of road for the our transportation modes like a various animals, horse, and today we are using various vehicles like car and trucks. So you can see the difference of roads which are constructed previously, and some are constructed in modern days. But you can see that the material which we are using previously is also a good material which can be comfortable to the construction of road. And normally today we are using the bitumens or concrete for the construction of various flexible and rigid pavement. So here you can see, here you can see this is the Roman roads and which are constructed in the BC. So you can see from the figure the material normally they are using various types of big stone for the constructions, or if in right side you can see there is a construction of a road, and in front of the road they are provided various types of trees like bananas or any other trees which is beneficial to the various road users. This Roman occupied Britain in 55 BC, 5,000 kilometer of road built in 150 years, radiated from capital London and extending to Wales and extended to the Socket. The Ligan's withdrawn in 1927 and breakdown of the roads followed. So we know that there is a big history which is related with this road transport. There are many big Samrats, many big properties they construct various road among the India and outside the India, and they have the proper aim that if you want to develop in case of social and other activities, so in that case road transportation is a very important thing. Now we are going to discuss about the various contribution towards the road development. So there are two major type of pavements in early days, and this can be we know that one of the WBM road, that is a waterbound mechanism. And normally in India when we started the construction of road, so in that case we are use the various WBM road. And even we are practices today, and we are constructing any other modern road on the behalf of the WBM road. So in this figure, you can clearly understand how this road can be constructed. So when you are going to construct a various WBM road, so we are using some material like the stone. We are also using some material like murum, and by using different layers of the this stone and murum, we can construct the WBM roads. So now we are going to discuss about the various history which is related with the highway development in the India. So we know that first Jaipur committee which decided to construct the various road in the India, which was started from Nagpur, and there are three main road plan. One is Nagpur road plan, one is Lucknow road plan, and third one is Mumbai road plan. So one committee has been constituted by the government of British in 1927, and that committee has been decided to built a network of road throughout India. So how they will get the fund? So when we decided to construct the road throughout the India, so in that case, funds are required. So for the requirement of CRF, that is Central Road Fund Department, and Central Road Fund Department, we have created a Indian Road Congress Committee, which is constituted in 1934. So this is Indian Road Congress Committee is the called as the IR care of various design design This Gaikwad committee has various guidelines. Under this guideline, the first Nagpur one has been started in 1942. So as we started the construction of the road in India after a plan, which is started from the Nagpur, and it is called as the 20-year road plan. And under this plan, we have started in 1950. We are introduced the Central Road Research Institute, and the second 20-year road plan. Uh, Second 20-year road plan uh, has been started in 1961 to 81, and this time in 1973 we are constituted one committee which is called as the HRB, that is Highway Research Board. And the third road plan, that's third 20-year road plan, has been started from 1981 and it extended up to the 2001. So these are the various three load plan which has started from 1942 and extended up to 2001. And in this period of time, we have constructed various types of in this period of time we have constructed the various types of road throughout the India. So now we are going to discuss about the various uh, important landmarks in the India. So first landmark is the National Highway Authority of India, which we introduced in 1988. Second is the National Highway Development Project, which is we introduced in 1998, and a road development plan, which we started 2001 to 20. And you can see this is one link which we can search, and after this link we can get the more information about the history of the road construction in India. Now, how the Indian road network and what is the philosophy and history behind the Indian road network. So about the 65% of the freight and 85% of the passenger is carried out by the road. The national highway constitute only about 2% of the road network, but carried about the 40% of the total road traffic. The number of the vehicles has been growing at an average pace of 10 into 16 per annum over the last 5 years. So, student, you should understand because when you are going to apply for the examination, so in case of MCQ, they may ask you this percentage. So you should remember all this number. Now we are going to discuss about the high volume roads and recent developments in the India. So let's discuss about the length of the road under the implementation. So if we think about the golden quadrilaters, so its length is about to 5,846 kilometer. It's connecting from Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai to Mumbai. The second national highway is Delhi to Kolkata, and its total length is 1453 kilometer. The third national highway, fourth, 7, and 46 is from Chennai to Mumbai, and its total length is 1290 kilometer. National Highway 4 is from Mumbai, and its total distance is 1415 kilometer. So, student, you should remember this count. So, it is very important on basis of your examination. And now we are going to discuss about the north to south and east to west corridors. It is about to 7300 kilometer. Corridor is from Srinagar, Kashmir to the Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu, including Salem to Cochin, Kerala. Uh, East to west corridor is connecting from Sildhar, Assam to Prabhanar, Gujarat, and park connectivity is from major parts. The next point is the length of the road under the implementation. We know that the road which are constructed in India on centralized basis. So there is one department which is called as the NHAI, that is National Highway Authority of India, is mandate to implement the National Highway Development Project (NSDP), and the various projects like NSDP, which was carried out by the NHAI, that is National Highway Authority of India, and these are the largest ever highway projects throughout the India. This National Highway of Authority India is plays a very important and quality role and flow. So we can say that in our Indian road network is one of the big network in Asia, and the number of vehicles are using this network throughout the day. And if you're thinking about the various costs of the project, the cost of the various project is in the crores. If you take an example of an HDP project of cost is of 54,000 crores. So how we can generate this fund? So these funds can be generated to the CRF, that is Central Road Fund. So when we selling the petrol or when we selling the diesel, so some percentage of this selling price has been uh, deposited into the CRF, that is Central Road Fund, and through this fund has been equated to every state for the construction of the road. So here you can see the specification which are related with the NSDP phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3 project has been seen, and I hope that you should remember this with their target date of completion. So if you think about the National Highway NHDP project, the total cost of project is near about 64,639 crores. So, student, you can see this National Highway Development project. So this is our Indian map, and here you can see the road which are shown with the blue colors are the east-west corridors. The shown with the green colors are the north-south corridors and stones, which are shown with the red colors are the golden corridors. And this is the total network which has been built in the India with the help of the National Highway Authority of India. So you can see this figure, you can see this map. So here you can see the various types of national highway are connected from one state to another state, and this way we complete the total construction throughout the India by under the plan of Nagpur Road Plan, Mumbai Road Plan, Delhi Road Plan. So here statistics has been given related with the various road users. So I hope you can note down these points which are very important in case of your examination. So now about the National Highway Authority of India, that is NHAI body. So this is a centralized body and which are formed in 1989 by the government of India, and the massive program of building of primary network of road was undertaken in 1995. The Golden Quadrant East-West Corridor constructed by the National Highway of India. And now about the 40% area of India is used under this US scheme, as we discussed of previous class. So now this one of the second figure. In this figure, you can see the various road construction has been shown. So the roads which are shown with the red colors are already completed, and green colors are under the implementation. And this way, step by step, the National Highway throughout the India also it take care of the maintenance of various road construction throughout the India. Basically, all the national highway has been monitored and maintained by the national. In that case, the so so we know that step by of the road in the India So, uh, so these are the one modern methodology which we are using for the road construction. So you can see this is the one of the recent development in the area, and this type of roads network has firstly constructed in the metro city of Bangalore. So we know that there are various major program under the rural developments. So PMGSY, that is Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, it has been started in India in year 2007, and another is BNP, that is Bharat Nirman Program, which started in 2009, and we have the vision that up to the year 2025, we will connect all the rural road to the cities and metro cities. So there are various ways of provide the connectivities to all weather roads to the illegal unconnected habitation in the rural areas. All habitations was 100 population in the year 2008. All habitations we can provide this PMGC where population is up to 500 to 1000 as per the population. Under the PMGSY, we are constructed various road. So in this figure, you can see this is the PMGSY road, which is constructed under the Gram Sadak Yojana, and through this, it is possible for us to connect the town. So there are some other points which is related with the Bharat Nirman uh, development. So the first plan, a 4 years plan for the rural connectivity has been started from 2005 to 2009, and up to 1 lakh 94 and 132 kilometers of existing rural road can be constructed under this scheme, and near about 48,000 crores has been invested by the government of India for these projects. uh, at the point of technical point of transportation engineering, it can be divided into the pavement engineering, traffic engineering, and transportation planning. So pavement engineering, it can be includes pavement material, pavement construction, pavement analysis, pavement management, pavement evolution, pavement maintenance. And traffic flow engineering is include the traffic flow, traffic simulation, traffic engineering, traffic control, traffic studies and analysis. Transportation engineering is include urban transport planning, urban mass transit system, transportation network, transport economics, and rural transport planning. So these are the various technical terms which comes under the transportation engineering. So what include the payments engineering? This payments engine it include the various points which is related with the material characterization, pavement analysis and design, subgrade stabilization, construction supervision, pavement maintenance, subgrade structural and functional evolution of highway and highway economics. So these are the continue the recording. Huh? So what are the various points or various which come under the pavements in the so it's include basically the health, monetary,
ये नहीं करता वाला कॉलेज में करने के लिए खाली ऐसे लफड़े रहते हैं।
चालू है ना आपका, चालू है ना? So we'll stop here. Thank you very much.
स्टॉप भी नहीं हो रहा था।
दे दो मेरे को, कलम बना लेता था।
स्टॉप भी नहीं हो रहा।